What's up guys, Lazarus here, aka Son of a Southern Chef, and today I'm gonna try to keep up with the Kardashians by eating like them for a day. So we're gonna start out with Chloe's protein shake. So there's a banana, there's pineapple, kiwi, good stuff. Protein powder, need that. Coconut water, only the best. And some spinach. Oh guys, and there's also some celery, FYI. I don't know how I feel about the celery, but we'll see. Look at how much is in that mixer. You know, it's like a lot. Chloe, do you really drink all of that? Like in one day? Cheers to Chloe. It's rather frothy. It's actually pretty good. Good job, Chloe. Yes. All right, I'm gonna down this smoothie and then I'm gonna go and do my workout. Gotta keep that Kardashian booty. So here's my kettlebell. Let's do this workout. I think I'm one step closer to that Kardashian booty. Oh yes. Kim K doesn't leave the house without a little snack. So she inspired me to carry my peanut butter. Oh yes, in a packy. I think I've earned it. Yum. That protein. All right guys, I just got back from my intense workout and I am ready for a drink. And the Kardashians do a fruit infused water. Simple. I'm gonna make it. Literally, this is amazing. It's salad time, it's salad time, salad time, it's salad time. I'm gonna make the Kardashians' infamous salad. It is the salad. Mozzarella cheese, sprouts, tomato, avocados, sunflower seeds. How random, but cool. Shredded chicken, you gotta have the romaine. Kim Kardashian apparently has a private chef who does all of her cooking. So do you think she actually knows how to cut into an avocado like a boss? So the dressing is top secret, but I'm gonna share my version of a dressing. It's garlic, it's Dijon mustard, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Easy. You gotta shake it like you mean it. I'm shook. This dressing is shook. Look at that salad. We're gonna make the Kardashians' favorite drink. It is a green teenie, and it's like just like 3 ingredients: mango puree, green tea, and my honey bear. So Kris Jenner, I know you have a big thing for table settings, being nice and neat, but this is the best I can do under the circumstances. At least I folded up my napkins. See that? Pretty nice, folded. Got silverware, we're not eating in plastic. Just saying. Let's try this, the salad. Wow, it's really good. This is really, really cool. This is good. This is gravy. Now it's time for some green teenie. Green teenie! Woo! Nice, sweet. Uh-oh. But you know what? It might make some good dressing. I think I might have solved the secret ingredient to this salad. It's a little bit of that green teenie, y'all. You heard it here first. I feel like Kim Kardashian takes one selfie and then she's done. I'm over here taking like 1,000. Kim, I don't know how you do it. You gotta give me some lessons. Drop some knowledge. All right, one more. Very Kardashian today. Yes. Very Kardashian. All right, guys, I've been eating all day like a Kardashian, but we still got one more meal to go. Dinner. I was inspired by Kris Jenner's cookbook to make her fettuccine pasta with sausage and peppers. Yes. So we're gonna use, obviously, fettuccine pasta, some crushed red pepper, some spicy sausage, peppers, garlic, gotta have that, and parm, olive oil, salt, pepper, parsley, and fresh basil. Yes. This is so simple, but yeah, I feel like I just died, went to heaven, had the best pasta, no lie, Bible. You know what? The Kardashians don't strike me as chefs or culinary experts, but I have to say, everything that I've eaten today, been pretty solid, no lie. I'm just embracing my inner Kardashian. I feel like more of us need to do that. Take the time out and embrace your inner Kardashian.